Okay, I just want to recap a few trades from today um, to bring home the point of when you're trading, if you want to trade seriously and not put a lot of money at risk. You know, day trading has this stigma attached to it that it's risky. Well, if you ask me, and I'm sure a lot more people would agree with me now than 6 months ago, buy and hold is way riskier. I go to bed every night in cash, and then I open the market up each morning, ready to put my cash to work, but only if I find a low risk setup. So let's start with TSO from today. These are 30-minute candles just from today, Thursday. Look at the setup. Lower tops. We're waiting for the first break of a previous candle's high. And again, we had this on our watch list because we like the daily chart. This doesn't work on just any random intraday chart. I want to stress that. But when we find a bullish daily chart, we have certain patterns we look for, and this is one of them. Lower tops on the 30s. And we're going to buy the first break of a previous candle's high, but only if it offers a low risk place to put our stop, a pretty tight place. So all these have lower tops. This one was 1915. This one also was 1915, but it's nice and narrow. That's why we love this setup. There's the first break of a previous candle's high. These are, again, we're using 30s here, 30-minute candles. 1916, our stop goes below the previous candle's low at 19. That's 16 cents a share risk. This thing went up over $1 at the high of the day. That's the kind of risk reward we look for, or we will not trade. It's just that simple. So that's a great way to put your cash to work, and then go home and or go to bed every night in cash and sleep soundly. We also had a home builder, DHI, same setup, 30s, lower tops, nice bottoming tail here. 1323 is the first break of a previous candle's high. Stop goes below this low at 1304. That is 19 cents risk, and this thing ran all the way to 14. Another great risk reward. Again, we won't take a trade unless it's got a tight stop, and the stop has to make sense on the chart. Then scanning intraday today, I found OI forming a different setup we like. Very tight base with the 5s, and then I spanned my charts out and looked on the daily and realized it had much more room above this. The reason I like a tight base is you buy the break of its high, 28.51. Somewhere in here is where I called it in our live chat room. 28.51, stop right below this base. 28.16 I said at the lowest. You could have put it up here for even tighter stop it. That's still only about 35 cents risk per share. Not bad on a $28 stock. And this thing ran all the way to 31.03, so well over $2 gain from our entry with a maximum of 35-cent risk. And even the tighter one of 20 cents would not have gotten hit. So again, just a quick kind of summary of the type of trades you need to be looking for in this crazy market. And we'll try to follow up with some more videos.